Yo guys, what's up? We just got some leaks from the Animal Company Discord about the new lake and how they are going to be adding some stuff to it, like the ocean update where you're going to be able to swim and stuff. So, on the apping, we're just going to do a simple, good old Haunted Mansion run, you know, just for funsies. Yeah, and I'm gonna yap about that kind of stuff. So, let's get straight into the video. So, pretty much, they have released not a lot, I should not say a lot. They released an image, about, like, how they are going to, change the dam area over here. They are actually, all these boxes over here are actually, like, they're going to be building some stuff over here. As you can see, they've actually been draining the lake, and, since they've been draining the lake, I, have a theory that there is going to be, you know, like, creatures that come out of the lake over here. Like things, maybe items, maybe like, I was, I had a, thought, like when I first heard about this, I instantly thought that there would be a starfish skin, but that's just something that I thought. But, I will actually put a image up on the screen right about now, like right about here, with the new map. I will be discussing my thoughts about it, and yeah, it's gonna be we're gonna have a great time. So, got Miss Angler over here. Don't want to talk to you. Is it over here? Yes, it is. So we actually get to like avoid that green light this time. Oh, crap, ladies here. Yeah, turn it off. Ooh. Two lady pictures, that's not nice. Crap, you scared me. Well, there goes my light. Wherever it went. Just toasty, bro. You need to get your girlfriend, bro. Oh, and I actually did not bring a pickaxe, which is something that we might need for this Haunted Mansion run. So, I'm going to go grab that, and I will meet you back here at the door. Boom. Here we have our pickaxe. So, we're going to need this. And then we just chuck this good old boy right into the keyhole. So, yeah, more about the actual, water update is that it looks like there's gonna be like an alien looking portal, like sci-fi style, you know. It looks pretty cool in my opinion. Of course, opinions are opinions. If you didn't see it in the beginning of the video when I actually put the image up, I will put the image back up again. Right about here, you can see like there's a little bit of a greenish, yellowish portal in the background. Sci-fi looking. It looks like, and as you can see in the image, it actually looks like they have been building, which might lead to something. Because remember when they were like first building the actual tech tree, how they had stuff like that. So yeah. So I did not know that blue crystals can spawn over in a red crystal patch. That's cool. Coins, those are good. I actually need some company coins. So, yeah, I might get some. Now we could jump down to the bottom. And now, my thoughts about this update is, I mean, it's gonna be super cool that they're finally adding something to the dam. Like, it hasn't been updated since, like, a while ago, where they added, like, the, you know, the, back of the dam, where pretty much, they made it so that way you could actually explore, like, behind the dam, like, there's more water actually behind the dam, but it's weird how it's like literally like a lake, where, you know, it's surrounded by land. So I'm just gonna Wi-Fi cheese very quick. Now when this Wi-Fi comes back on, I'm hoping that there's going to be all blue crystals down here. Want to make the most money that we can for an affordable price. And there is no blues anywhere. So, guess we could get these reds. I also don't really like how they removed the, you know, heart gun area actually down here. Like, you can't even get the heart gun from here anymore. Because I have a full bag. So for, like, people that are trying to get a heart gun, they have to start, like, begging for it. As you can see, it's, like, not here anymore. Like, you have to start begging. Which I feel like kind of annoys other players, but sure, they'll do it. But it's like, bruh, animal cruelty. So let's just dump out what we got. Ugh, so heavy. My thoughts is that, since they're like draining the dam and whatever over here, they might actually, oh my god, only 6,000, 7,000-ish. They might actually flood this area, which I feel like would be super cool. Like, since they're like draining it, there might be like some giant sea beast that just fills it back up, fills everything back up with water. New machine to make more money. Money make boss happy. Wow. That's sad. So wait. That kind of looks similar to like the the whiteboards down in offices, where it's like the duplication machine to make money type boards, right? Like these over here, like somewhat like this whiteboard over here. It's like saying all about like money. You take like this to say eggs, you know, like come out, boom, then that's $3,000 each. So maybe they're connected, I don't know. You're so hard to kill now. They definitely buffed the lady's health. She doesn't even one shot to shotgun anymore. Bro. Nut quart, bro. Why would you make this thing? You know, I'm just gonna... So yeah, those are like some of my thoughts about the new update that's gonna be coming. I think maybe actually next Tuesday it could be coming. And yeah. Bro, get off me! Yeah, just get me out of here. So yeah, those are some of my thoughts about the new update. I really hope that they will add a starfish skin, because I will definitely rock that thing. You know, definitely. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So, you know, yeah, I'm excited, you know, for that, and, you know, it's gonna be super fun. So, yeah, why is this green? I'm gonna give away my stuff, and then I will see you guys in the next video. Let's give away my stuff. Yo guys, what's up?
Bro, can I trade for
What's up, guys?
Can I trade for
Here's some just stuff.
No.
Just some free stuff.
Purple.
I added you.
Yeah.
Can I trade for the hammer?
Away.
Well, goodbye, I suppose. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.